Welcome, our dear parents and teachers on Teachers TV Africa. Now, that most of us today prefer teaching on the blackboard, like sounds. You find a person who will say, this is sound, maybe for the one like fork, like that. And then maybe we give the learners sounds, maybe to match. Yes. And then we have word like mat, word like stone, and the word like fish. This teaching is good, but it doesn't bring out the real meaning. So today we are going to show you an approach that you can use while conducting teaching. Instead of doing it on the blackboard, why can't we do it practically? Kindly let's go out and see how we can do it. And now, our dear parents, we are continuing, and this is our practical lesson that we have prepared. As you can see this, we have all the materials and all the objects and everything basically which is needed. So at the end of the day, what is going to happen is we want them, like as you can see these sounds. As you can see the sounds, we want them, a child to get a sound here, take it there on the word, take it there on the object or the picture, how you can call it, basically those are the objects. Then they come and pick a word here. So this one, it is basically competence-based learning, whereby they understand and they are engaged in the learning teaching process than just doing everything on the blackboard how we started, like the way how we started. So let's get started. Yeah, we are getting started with our first group. Thank you. Class, are we together?
Yes.
Are we together, class? Yes. Now what you are going to do, you are going to come here and pick a sound there. After picking a sound, you take it where it belongs, one person. Eh? You take it where it belongs, then you come and you look for a word. You start from here. Who is starting? Okay. Pius is starting. Okay, Pius, come and start. You pick a sound. Okay, move, and we see where Pius is taking the sound. Now Pius here is looking for which word maybe has that sound. Okay, you can come up to this side, Pius. Oh, Pius has picked book. Then you pick a word, the word book from there. Move, give him time and space. There, Pius has completed this task. He has picked book and the word book. Okay, like this, so that at least it can be seen. Thank you very much, Pius. Derek, kindly move. Give Derek space. Derek, sound. Which sound is that? You tell us the sound.
Sound.
Louder sound?
Sound.
Okay. Then, where are you taking it? Want to see what Derek is taking it. Four. Which one is the four? Okay, look this side. Okay. Yeah, second is that while we have a phone, and then look for the word phone over there. All right. Thank you, Derek. Amazing. Okay. I think now we have the second word and the Martin, which word is that? Which sound is that?
Sound.
Okay. What is this? Fork. Okay. And then I know he's laughing. Douglas, why are you laughing at Martin? Which word is that? Let us see the word. Show it. Okay. Members, quality education should be a human right, and it can be carried out in any school. It doesn't matter the type of building or the location of the school. And that's what we are trying to do, or that's what we are doing in our community school at Rising Star. Which sound is that?
Sun.
Okay. Sound for which? Okay. Okay, the word is? Which word is that?
Keto.
The word is?
Keto.
Keto. Okay, thank you. I think space. Give people space. Give people space. The next person? Daisy. Which sound is that? Sound? Okay. And which word is that? The word is? Louder? Okay. Thank you. The next person? Gloria. You start with the sound, Which sound is that? Show us the sound. Let us see the sound. Show it this side. Okay, that is the sound which she has told us. Where do you take it? Okay, you put it where it's supposed to go. On this, which word is that now? Okay, and what is this down? Where is this? Like here? Okay, put it there now. Thank you. Then which word? Ash, don't show her. Leave her.
This one is showing her.
We're showing her, okay? Which word is that? Let us see the word. Let us see the word. Show it this side. Okay, thank you. Okay, the next person. The next person. Okay, put it here like this. Down. Thank you. The next person.
Sun.
Okay, divine. Which sound is that? Sound A. Show it clearly. Up. No. Clearly like this. And let us see. Which sound is that? Properly. Put it properly. A for? A for egg. Then the word. Douglas, leave people to do their work. Let us see. Which word is that?
Egg.
Okay. You put it there. The word is A. Sound A for egg. Okay, the next person. The next person. Faith. Which sound is that? Let us see the sound. Clearly, no. Properly, turn it. Which sound is that? Louder.
Sound.
Okay. Where do you take it? And that is boo. And the word? Which word is that? Show it clearly, properly. Which word is that? Which word is that now? The word is? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now, the next person. You pick the sound. Start with the sound. You start with a sound. Sound. That's one. Where does it go? Here. It goes there. Where? Okay, put it there. Thank you. The next person. Because already the word is there, eh? Are you seeing the book? Martin Mosh, pick a sound. Where does it go? Jerry can. Which sound is that anyway? Sound J. Okay, the word is Jerry can. Thank you. The next person? Douglas. Which sound is that? Show it and we see. Sound? Okay, where does it go? What is, okay. Which one is that?
Shoes.
Let me see. Okay. Sound sh, and the word is shoes. Pious, okay. Just pick a sound, you'll find the word there. Then even if when you can also put it where they got the other one, eh? Okay, because we already got the word, eh? Any other person? Pick a sound. There are 3 sounds. Pick a sound here. Derek, not a word, a sound. Which sound is that?
Sound.
Again, sound. Okay, where are we taking it? We have another something here which doesn't have a word already. Look at look for it. Okay, thank you. Then you look for the word which goes there. Which word is that? The word is fish. Okay. And the word is fish. Thank you. All right. Now, we are remaining with 2 sounds. Which sound is that? Okay. Another person to look for the word of sound E here. You give it to another person. Okay. Pius, come and look for the word of sound E. For it is not at the beginning. Okay, come and look. Anyone can come and show us the word of sound E here. Where is the word which has sound E? Where shall we put sound E? If I were you, I could even look at the words remaining there. Then you see what is missing. Members, you look at the words there. You can look at the words. Where does it go? Don't you see? Hey, Martin, come and put it clearly, properly. Okay, fair, like that. Sound E for? Which word? Bean, eh? Or beans, eh? Because those are many, it should be beans. Then which sound is that? The final sound. Sound. Where does it go? We don't have. If we don't have, we put it back. Then what do we have here? Sound. Come and help Douglas to where? Okay, and that's the beauty of group work. We help each other. And the word, which word is that? Thank you. Then which other, what do we have there? 6. Where do we take 6 here? Where is number 6 here? I'll leave it there. Where is number 6 here in these numbers? Do you have any number 6? Okay, thank you. Then finally, which word is that? Pencil. Where do we put it? All right. Clap yourselves. Louder. Thank you, our dear parents and viewers. That's how has been our lesson on competence-based learning, and I've been looking at sounds. Instead of using the blackboard, we have been making it in a practical way. We hope you have learned something. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching Teachers TV Africa. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.